Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle. Okay, I am going to be doing a very short haul today, and mainly I did this video in order to announce the winner for this. So stay tuned, and I'm going to announce the winner on this eyeshadow palette that I had done, like I was showing you, telling you about the giveaway that I was going to give it to someone, like anyone. I would pick one from my subscribers, like anybody who is subscribed and has commented on that particular video, the giveaway video. So, and who was like interested in makeup, because I know I have a set of subscribers who are mainly, I got the subscribers because of the handbag videos, not really makeup stuff, and then I have some because of the makeup stuff. So okay, so I will announce that in the end of the video. So the haul today is, I got just a couple of things actually from Zara. Then I got a couple of things from Forever 21. These are very old actually. They've just been sitting here in the bag for a long time. And now it's been a long time actually, because after I bought this, I've put on some weight, and now when I wear these dresses, I don't know, I just look like so short and like really, you know, fluffy, and I'm like, I have to wait to lose weight, I think, to wear these. So anyway, I will show you what I got. So from Zara, I got this, the one I'm wearing, and you guys can tell me if this looks okay or I have to return. I just loved the pattern, and you know, I loved the style of the dress, but on me, I feel like, because I'm also short, I'm just like, I wore it today and I was feeling like it's looking. This I got recently. The Zara purchase was recent. One, you guys, I'll stand up and show you guys how this looks. But first, let me show you another one. So because I have to stand up for this. So this is just a top. It's pretty cute. It's like a polka dot full sleeve top, and it has this collar on the top, and with this tying thing. It's really pretty, and there is also buttons here, like white buttons here. So I thought that this was really pretty. Let me stand up and show you guys. So you tie this at your neck like that. It's really cute, and it has this long sleeve and this frill in the end here. It's so pretty, the frill, and this looks a little big on me, like it has a button here also. The sleeve, the long sleeve, this has a button here, so you can like kind of fold it and wear if you want, but I do love the sleeve, so I would love to show the sleeve off. But here it's a little bit loose, like in the edge it looks like a little bit loose for me in the end here, but I still like this top. And this was, and it's like pretty long, so it comes like, it covers my back, so it's pretty long. So the day I went to shop, it depends on what I'm wearing actually. That day I was wearing a tights, like a black tights, so it looked very nice on the tights, so I got it. And this was in the clearance section. It's extra small, but it's still big on big, and it was how much? $19.99 on sale. And this was $15.96 or $15.56 something, 15 something, so almost like $16. So let me show you guys. So it's kind of, you know, like that style is kind of like that peasant style dress. So that's why I feel like I'm looking like really huge wearing it in the back with this design and all. I feel like my back is looking really, really huge. So I'm a little bit thinking like whether I should keep it, but I love this pattern, you know, this design, and I love the style, and it's very deep. So what I did was I just wore like a lace cami inside, so that it can like cover this area, because it's really deep here. And then even the hand, it is actually like this. So I felt like it was looking really, see that? Like it looks a little bit, yeah, big on me, because my hands are so short. So that's why what I did, and it has a button here too. So it's really pretty, but I may have to cover that button. So what I did was just to pull that bulginess there I'm just trying to fold it, and because I felt like that looks much better if I just like leave it like that, fold it and leave it like that, or even if I fold further, that might be better actually to get rid of this bulge here. So, and then it has this two big buttons here. So it's really a very simple dress. So that's what I liked, because I love simple tops or dresses like this, which are like, you can wear anything with this. You can wear like a long with a long boot, you can wear it with like a short boot, you know, or anything, but boots will be much better to look with this. And I just wore like a short boots. It's like a, yeah, just like a short boot I wore with this. And I have one of the outfit, you already saw it in the video, you're seeing it in the video that I'm wearing, but this one is the other top that I showed you guys from Zara. So this is how it looks on me. So I do like it. It's pretty long, as you can see, it's long, it covers the back. So I like it. You can wear it on tights, you can wear it on jeans. So I do like this one. And I love this detail here. This is what I love actually. I really love this detail here. And there's like buttons here. I've not put the last one here, but there's like two buttons. So you can like do it all the way like that and put this, tie that. So that's really pretty. I like that. And this. So that was my Zara haul. Just two things, guys. I didn't get much at all at Zara because I have done so much shopping at Express that I didn't want to do too much shopping in Zara, and these were the only two things I found in the clearance. Now Forever 21. Now these are like some old items. So even though they're very, very pretty, if I wear them right now, they don't look that nice on me. So I'm going to wait until I kind of lose a little weight. I'm trying to lose weight. So this is so pretty, and again these were all on sale. This was $12, and it's a frock, and it is so pretty. It's just a simple frock, and the sleeve is like a sleeve that I normally would not wear. This kind of sleeve, I like it like a little more shorter, but this is like nice too because it looks like that different kind of style with this sleeve, because this sleeve goes very well with this collar here. Like at the neck, it has this cute little button thingy that comes right at the neck area. This is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah, so now this dress is the one I was talking about. It's a little bit deep here. But I really love the neck here. If you see this button, there's like a button here. So I love this collar neck in this dress. And the hand, like you can see that it seems a little bit weird. Like this is the hand. This is how it is. So, but what I did on this side is just folded. So I probably will like, because see how it's sitting like that. So I would probably fold that. And so this is what I was talking about. Like I put on like a lot of weight. So it's really like, you know, I feel like I'm looking like even more short wearing this dress. And it's a little like shorter, but I really love it though. I still love it. It's cute. So I really love this dress. And again, this I got, when I got it, I think they had one with 50%, I think. Yes. Oh, both were 50%. Both were. The clearance was 50%. So that I actually got that for $6. The frock I got for $6. Now, next one I got for $4.50. And I just love this color because I don't have much greens in my collection. So that's why I just loved this color. And this was again $9. So 50% off. I got it for like $4.50. So these were the only two things. Look at that. So the only thing was like this this sleeve, this goes over your, oh sorry, like that, right? So it looks very open, like you can see more of your skin. But I just loved it. I was like, okay, I can wear it with like a jacket over it or something if I go out. So I got it, and what I loved about this was, one is stripes. I love stripes. And then this all the way button. So this like button all the way till the end, and it's like that A line. Is this called A line? Yeah, that's called A line, right? The A line. And it looks nice, cute. But I feel like I look like a school kid wearing this. So so I'm not sure if I may just give it to my niece otherwise. This is the other dress, and I love this print actually. The print is what I loved, and it's not like very deep, or at least you can't see the cleavage or anything in this, so that I like that. And I have tights, and this is like how it looks. It's a little bit longer than the previous one, than the red one, and I do like it. And like this is like this, the sleeve thing here, it looks like that. So that's what I meant, like here and all it looks a little bit open, but it's cute. And yeah, but these are all like, I feel like I have to lose a little bit weight to be wearing this comfortably, for me to be comfortable. So but it is like cute. And if I don't feel comfortable, and oh yeah, the back, those are the two things I got from Forever 21. So since they were very tiny little things, just two things, I just combined these two to show you guys. And now let me tell you who the winner of this giveaway is. And for this, really, like last time I didn't really do like pick from the subscriber. Last time I had made my son pick the winner, but this time what I did was, all my beauty videos and all that I upload, I'm always getting comments, and on this particular video I got really few comments, so I don't have much people to choose from. So I just had like 3-4 subscribers that had commented below there. So this one is going to go to the girl who is always commenting whenever I'm putting this beauty haul videos. I have a set of other subscribers that are like always commenting on my handbag videos, but there are some who are always commenting on my beauty videos. So this is going to go to Sheetal Korot. I hope I'm saying your last name right. I don't know if it is Korot or Korot, but Sheetal, this is coming to you. So please send me your info at happiness-lifestyle@gmail.com, and I will ship this to you. So thank you so much for always watching my videos, commenting on my videos. So that's why I thought like I want to give to someone who is like really, she's always the first one to watch my videos nowadays, especially the beauty ones. So that's why I thought that she deserves to get this, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. And what else? I think that's it. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.